Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this Ring plug-in mount for floodlight camera. So here I've got my Ring floodlight camera plugged in. Reason number 1 is it has a 20-foot cord and you don't need an electrical box in order to install it. This can install right on the surface of your house with this type of mount, and then you run the cord. It's got a 20-foot cord. That's reason number 2. 20-foot cord down to a plug-in, and now it's powered on all the time. And the lights will come on when it senses motion and it'll start recording. Reason number 3 is I can put this anywhere, almost anywhere within a 20-foot reach of a plug. That's super nice. Whereas if I have to install it with an electrical box, I can only put it where the electrical box is, because putting these on the outside of your house can be pretty hard. The wires are inside your house. But here, everything is on the outside. I can put this wherever I want it. Easy to install. 20-foot cord, and I can put this light anywhere. It works with the Floodlight Plus and the Floodlight Pro. It does come in a white color and a black color, so you can match whichever one you would like. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.